When you want to get things done, use creative ways to remind people as a cause of diabetes. Diabetes can be cured by ivory almonds. First day 1 almond, second day 2 almonds, third day 3 almonds, 15th day 15 almonds. Almonds should be eaten without skin. Almond skin contains nitrobenzene that creates cancer. So always have almonds without skin. 15th day 15 almonds. 16th day 1 less. 17th day 2 less. On the 30th day come back to 1. 1 month cycle is there. You will never go to a doctor saying, sir, do a bypass for me. This is the formula for it. If you don't feel that you have been, but most important part, avoid fried items. If you keep on having fried items, that means you are choking your arteries. Overnight, we put it into the water. Soak it in the water, it will come out. Do it immediately. Why to preserve? Because it is polluted world. Even the distance between your hand and your face will contain some bacteria. Only you can do it something about it. After all, it's your life, it's your family. You can start off with a simple step to A. Brisk walking for 30 minutes per day, every day. For over 40 years now, studies have shown walking to be the best form of exercise people of all ages can do. Walking and cholesterol. Regular walking can increase the levels of good cholesterol. Walking and smoking. Regular walking is positive habit that could replace smoking quick. Walking also increases your intelligence. Walking and blood pressure. Regular walking makes the heart work more efficiently and improves the blood circulation. Blood vessels become more elastic and the amount of oxygen delivered to the tissues increases. Walking and stress. Walking is one of the easiest way to deal with tension, anxiety and stress. Studies show that the people who exercise regularly can cope better with stress of life. Researchers in US have found a 14% average drop in anxiety levels in the regular brisk walkers. Walking recharges our batteries after tension and stress have drained them out power and energy. But simply walking is not going to help. With walking, do your breathing exercise properly. Inhale and exhale properly. That will further enhance your thinking level properly. Walking and fitness. Regular brisk walking improves the muscle tones, makes your heart stronger and gives you that bite of fitness. Do it regularly for 30 minutes every day and enjoy that feeling of fitness from within. Caution those with the knee pain. Walk at a normal pace. Do not do knee stretching exercise as shown in next 2 slides. For knee pain. Many people have a knee pain. I am sharing with you my experience. Old lady of 75. Last 25 years, she was having a knee pain. Gone under each and every medical expert, cure was 0. Same way, by the way, it was a day when I was going for my lecture, she met me. She said, sir, can you please help me out? I said, surely. What's the problem? Knee pain. Very simple. What you will do? Take 2 small potatoes, what we call as a dum aloo. Small potatoes, 2 pieces. Wash it properly. Soak it in a glass of water, and the glass should be of the glass and not of the steel. Fill it with water and pour 2 potatoes inside it. Leave it overnight. Leave it overnight. Cover the glass, leave it overnight. Next morning when you get up, before brushing your teeth, drink that water. Take out the potatoes and drink the water. You can use the same potato for 3 to 4 days. Cover the potato properly throughout the day. At the night time, wash it again and put it in a glass of water. Raw.
Like peel or unpeel?
With the skin. All the joints. Osteoarthritis. All joints. And joints anywhere in the body.
Chronic joint pain.
Anywhere.
But early morning you have to peel.
Early morning before brushing your teeth. Believe it or not, within the next month when she met me, she said in 20 to 25 days, what does not cure me for 25 years and cleared in 25 days time. Just by drinking this water. the Maruta water. If you want to have it, you can also try it out. Basically, we have the knee pains and joint pains is when the kidney is overloaded with toxins. You have to eradicate the toxins, and that is done by this water.
What happens to the water when you soak it?
Pardon? This fight is doing a certain job for your body. Have a look and pass on to everyone, please. Thanks. Okay, now we'll go more in. Let's pass on to this. So everyone can say it properly. There should not be a distinct way I am not saying it. Knee extensions. Strengthen the muscle in front of the thigh, sit in a chair to only balls of the feet. Again? Just pass on, please. Let's see the structure and pass on, please. Let us save the time for everybody. Strengthen the muscle in front of the thigh, sit in a chair, only the balls of your feet and your toes should rest on the floor. Put rolled towel under your knees. If needed, lift your feet. Rest your hands on your thighs on the sides of the chair. Slowly extend one leg in front of you as a straight leg is possible. Flex foot to point toes towards bed. Hold position for 1 or 2 seconds. Slowly lower the leg back down. Pause. Repeat with the other leg. Alternate legs until you have done for 8 to 15 repetitions with each leg. Rest and do another set of 8 to 15 alternating repetitions. Next. You need to know about kidney failure and failure. Sure. Body. Facts about kidney disease. Kidney disease is one of the costliest illness in the US today. Each year, more than 50,000 Americans die because of the kidney disease. More than 260 Americans suffer from the chronic renal failure and need dialysis, kidney transplant to stay alive. More than 35,000 patients are waiting for kidney transplant, but only about 11,000 will receive transplant because of shortage of suitable donors. Every year, 2,200 new cases of Malaysians are diagnosed with the end stage of renal failure. There are over 1,800 people waiting for a kidney transplant in Malaysia, and numbers increasing each year. The numbers are frightening. What they are. Your kidneys are two bean-shaped organs near the middle of your back. Their main function is to eliminate excess fluid and waste materials from your blood. Your kidneys do some important jobs to keep your body healthy. Balance your body fluid, excess fluid is filtered out like urine, remove waste products from your blood, remove drugs and toxins from your body, releases hormones to your blood, control blood pressure, makes red blood cells and keeps your bones healthy. Formulations are remember. What are the kidney diseases? Kidney diseases are diseases of the kidney substance that alter the structure and function of the kidney. There are many diseases of kidney such as leukonephritis, fine nephritis, polycystic kidney. The treatment for potential for insulin dependence on type of disease. Kidney disease can lead to kidney failure. Polycystic kidney is normal kidney. These types disease that cause inflammation in the kidney is related with 2 drops of sandalwood oil. Dose of diabetes. Diabetes can be cured by ivory.